To understand what a cryptocurrency fork is, it is important to first understand the basic functioning of cryptocurrencies. Cryptocurrencies are digital currencies that use cryptography to ensure secure transactions and control the creation of new units. The first and most well-known cryptocurrency is Bitcoin, created in 2009 by a person or group of people under the pseudonym Satoshi Nakamoto. Cryptocurrencies operate on a technology called blockchain, which is essentially a distributed, decentralized digital ledger that records all transactions of a cryptocurrency. Each block in the chain contains a list of transactions. Once a block is filled with transactions, a new block is created and linked to the previous one, forming a chain of blocks, hence the name blockchain. Now, let's get to the fork concept. In simple terms, a fork is a change or update to the code of a cryptocurrency. Forks can be planned or they can be the result of a consensus in the cryptocurrency community. There are two main types of forks, soft forks and hard forks. Soft forks. A soft fork is a backwards compatible change to the code of a cryptocurrency. This means that nodes, or computers that are part of the cryptocurrency network, that are not updated to the new code version will still be able to validate and record transactions. However, they will not have access to any new features or functionality that the update may bring. If the majority of nodes upgrade to the new code version, the soft fork will succeed. And nodes that haven't upgraded will be encouraged to do so to benefit from the new features. Hard forks. A hard fork, on the other hand, is not backwards compatible. This means that all nodes must update to the new version of code to continue participating in the network. If some nodes do not upgrade, they will be separated from the main network and form their own blockchain. This may result in the creation of a new cryptocurrency. A famous example of a hard fork is Bitcoin Cash. In 2017, a part of the Bitcoin community wanted to increase the block size on the Bitcoin blockchain to allow for more transactions per block. However, not everyone in the community agreed with this change, so a hard fork was implemented, resulting in the creation of Bitcoin Cash. Why are forks important? Forks are an important part of the cryptocurrency ecosystem because they allow cryptocurrencies to adapt and evolve. Cryptocurrencies are new and emerging technologies, and there is still much to learn and improve. Forks allow the cryptocurrency community to experiment with different approaches and ideas. In addition, forks can also be a form of governance in the cryptocurrency community. As cryptocurrencies are decentralized, there is no central authority that can make unilateral changes. Instead, the user and developer community must come to a consensus on what changes should be made. If a significant part of the community does not agree with a proposed change, they can choose to implement a fork and create their own version of the cryptocurrency. In short, a cryptocurrency fork is a change or update to the code of a cryptocurrency. There are two main types of forks, soft forks, which are backwards compatible, and hard forks, which are not. Forks allow cryptocurrencies to adapt and evolve, and can also be a form of governance in the cryptocurrency community.